Personality development. Personality development that is being taught to elevate the person's mind, thoughts, words, and acts is all illusionary. It, instead of elevating the intended things, is falsely elevating the ego. Unfortunately, the one who is teaching and one who is learning, both of them don't know that what they are intending to learn is not what they are actually. The personality development in its actual terms is to uplift the spirit and oneness of a person. If the personality development exercise is taken care in this soul and whole right manner, then the unintended food to ego won't go, and the materialistically intended uplifting of mind, thought, word, and acts would also be enriched in a path of dharma, that is righteousness. The term personality itself is sin because it indicates limitation and ugly ego. Hence, when the term personality itself is standing as a sin, developing it is sinner than sin. It's not personality development. It is a development of a person from personality to spirituality, human to divine, limited to unlimited, birth and death to eternal. That is what is the real personality development. The secret is one who is ready to lose his personality, thereby attaining the divinity through sadhana, would be the most successful in showing abilities of the mind, thoughts, words, and actions. The whole purpose of Sanatana Dharma is only to do personality development. If one wishes to attain the true personality development, then they should get into the path of purpose of life, that is self-realization. That is the eternal personality development. Sarvam Sri Sadguru Arpanamastu. Jai Guru Datta.